Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to erase unwanted objects in your image by using Snapseed. First of all, you need to install the Snapseed application. Open your Play Store and search for Snapseed. Open the application. Here you can see the open option on the top side. Tap on it. Choose your image to erase the unwanted objects. Tap on the tools option on the bottom side. Here you can see the healing tool. Tap on it. Zoom your image to the perfect erase. Shade the unwanted portion. Now the unwanted portions are erased from your image. By doing this, you can make your image more attractive and beautiful. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.